black sheep, Baba, black sheep. Have you any wool? Have you any wool? Yes, sir, yes, sir. 3 bags full. 1 for the master, 1 for the dame, and 1 for the little boy who lives down the lane. How are you? Are you okay? I'm fine. It's your teacher Anauncieta. Welcome to Easy Elimu Learning Simplified. Division as grouping. You have been given here how many apples? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many? 8 apples. And you're told, group them into how many? How many do you want to group them? Let's group them into 4. And now I am dividing them into, I'm grouping them into 4 equal parts. So, how many apples? Not 4, into 2 equal parts. How many apples do I have in each group? How many? I have 1, 2, 3, 4. So in other words, I've been given 8 apples to group them into how many? Group in 2. You get your answer as 1, 2, 3, 4. That is division as grouping. Now let's see how many balls did you have here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So how many do we have? We have 18. So 18 balls. We divide into how many? Divide or group them into? Divide into 6 groups. How many do you have? How many equal groups do you form? Now this is our box with the balls. Then I take another small carton box and partition into 6 groups. Let me see. Group 1, group 2, group 3, group 4, group 5, and group 6. So how many balls do I have in each group? 1, 2, 3. So how many balls do I have in each group? I have 3 balls. Very good. Let's see. I have other balls here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I have 14 balls and I want to group them. 14 balls. Divide into how many groups? Divide into 7 groups. So we see this is my box neatly placed in the balls. So I'm dividing into how many? 7 groups. This is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So how many balls do I have in each group? 1, 2. So if I divide 14 balls into 7 groups, I have 2 balls in each group. Is that okay? Now, I want you to group your fingers. Show me your fingers. How many are they? Teacher, there are 10. Very good. Group them into 2 groups. Here, this is 1 group, this is 1 group. So how many fingers do you have in each group? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. Now you have the fingers and the toes. And you've been told, group the fingers and your toes into 4 equal groups. 4 equal groups. So how many fingers and toes do you have? I have 5 and 10 and 10. So how many are they? Those are 20. Group them into 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many do I have in each group? I have 5 in each group. That is basically what you're supposed to do. So today you're going to look at the wheels of those cars. Have you seen the cars written on the days of the week? Yes. I want you to group the wheels. How many wheels do we have there? Group them into 6 groups and tell me how many wheels do you have in each group. Then we have the month of the year. Count all of them and group them into 4 equal groups and tell them how many are they in each group. Then we have the shapes. How many are they? There are 8. Group them into 2 equal groups and tell me how many they are. Are we together? So tomorrow when you meet, we have 1, 2, 3 questions to tackle before we move on to the next thing. It was nice having you around, and I just want to wish you all the best. Thank you.